Hello, my name is Devin McKenzie, the market analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD analysis for the 28th of September to 5th of October 2017. The CFD analysis is a weekly commentary on the top 40 stocks on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange to keep the active trader up to date on the latest developments in the price action of each of these stocks. This commentary highlights key price levels, indicators of imminent shifts in momentum, possible breakouts, and other price actions that are worth noting and which may provide valuable trading opportunities. In order to get a general feel of how most of the stocks in the market are trading, one could take a look at the top 40 future index, which is a combined representation of the price action of all the stocks, and look to place trades in accordance with the movement of this index. The commentary on the top 40 future index can be found on slide 12 of this week's CFD analysis, and if one were looking for it on ProTrader, one would need to search for ALSI December 17. The closeout of the September ALSI contracts saw the index gap up to 50,200. The index pulled back to 49,520 on Tuesday to close the gap, and has been helped up by a weaker rand today to close the trading session at 49,742. Key support and resistance levels now come into play around 49,500 and 50,000 respectively. A move below 49,500 will open further downside potential to 49,100. Our bias is towards the downside. This commentary shows that the index gapped up last week and has since begun to pull down, but it's around the 49,500 level. It's held up, and the main driving factor behind this has been a weaker rand. If the rand strengthens, then it's likely that 49,500 support will give way and the index will go down towards 49,100. However, it's still possible that the index is going to trade between 49,500 and 50,000 in the coming days, and so at this stage we cannot say that long trades are preferred over short ones or short over long. And so if you have a look at the analysis this week, you will see that there are a number of shorting opportunities as well as buying opportunities. On the short side, I'd like to draw your attention to the stocks of Bidvest, Bidcorp, Impala, Mediclinic, Sanlam, and Sappi. And on the long side, I'd like to draw your attention to Billiton, Mondi, Mr. Price, Old Mutual, and Shoprite. As mentioned, the rand is going to play quite a significant role in the movement of this index in the days ahead. And having a look at the commentary of the rand this week, which can be found on slide 13 of the CFD analysis, we can see that the move above 13 Rand 40 validated a break to the upside of a triangle pattern in the daily chart and suggests a move up to 14 Rand 45 cents. If the rand were to weaken to that level, it would need to break above the 13 Rand 60 and 14 Rand resistance levels. The upper boundary of the triangle will now provide support at 13 Rand 40 cents, and this level will need to give way if we are to see any further strength in the rand. Until then, a move up towards 14 Rand looks to be on the cards. This commentary shows that we are expecting quite a lot of movement in the rand in the coming week, and most likely this movement is going to see further rand weakness, and this is likely to affect the rand hedging stocks, the resource stocks, and the banking stocks. So one would need to use the movement in these stocks either as trading opportunities or be cautious when trading these stocks as a result of the large movement in the rand that's expected in the days ahead. That's your CFD analysis for this week. If you're going to be trading, then please remember, as always, to use protective stop losses to manage your risk.